Hi everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most elegant and affordable jewelry sets on the market. The JNF Large Faux Pearl Necklace, Bracelet, and Earring Set. This stunning piece is all about classic sophistication and timeless style. The JNF Large Faux Pearl Set is designed to add a touch of luxury to any outfit without breaking the bank. It features a multi-strand necklace, matching bracelet, and earrings, all adorned with beautifully crafted faux pearls. Let's start by looking at the materials used. The pearls are made from high-quality faux materials, offering the look and feel of real pearls while being more affordable and sustainable. The metal type used in the set is alloy, which ensures durability and a lightweight feel. The lobster clasp makes it easy to wear and secure. This set is perfect for various occasions. Whether it's a wedding, a formal event, or just adding a touch of elegance to your everyday wear. Now, let's talk about styling. The multi-strand necklace pairs beautifully with both high-necked and V-necked outfits, instantly drawing attention to your neckline. The bracelet adds a subtle charm to your wrist, while the earrings frame your face delicately, enhancing your overall look. In conclusion, the JNF Large Faux Pearl Set is not just a jewelry set. It's a statement piece that enhances your elegance without the hefty price tag. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for a thoughtful gift, this set is sure to impress. That wraps up our review for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.